And this is the wall that we clad to prep for the team panels. This is and this is the niche, the nook, sitting nook for the dining. It's supposed to extend all the way and ends here. The tall cabinets are up. So are the kitchen cabinets. So supposed to extend some more here. Drawers. Done already, but still need to touch up. So that is our wall feature for the bedroom. We will turn something up there, okay? So not here yet lah, that whatever thingy, huh? And this is the barn door for the bathroom. And this will be the pendant light that will go in the dining room. This is sensor, okay? So it will be inside the dining room and the kitchen part. So again, okay. These are the unusual suspects. Candle lamp, check light holder. Zoom in. Okay, so everything looks okay. Of course, here and there I will have questions for my contractor lah, like, how come this one go up first, later wallpaper go up, then how isn't it more mafan? For example, when we have structures on the wall and then we put the structures up first, so such things I will need to discuss with my contractor lor. Like if I see something I don't know whether right or not, the sequence I will ask them so that I will know also, like what's their plan. Maybe they have something in mind, or maybe there are constraints that I'm not aware of lah. So these are all the stuff that I will need to go through on a daily basis lor, to run through so that everything is A-okay. Yeah, so wow, looks like quite fast the carpentry. Then I think the next thing will be waiting for our team panels to come in and the zeng stuff, because the zeng stuff not so easy. Another tai chi liao liao thing, but again what is renovation without tai chi? So it's part and parcel lah. Yeah lor. So until the next time, I think the next time when I meet, when I do this again, it will be where the tin panels will be up. But first I need to meet up with the blinds guy to do measurements. See all the details, so much details. Okay, yeah. Part and parcel of the job. Part and parcel of the job. Okay. Till the next time. I hope to update more soon.